there's a lot of money that has to go into these cars. And how am I going to get that money? So I had opportunities to work in construction. My best friend in high school, his dad was a bricklayer. I had the opportunity to apprentice as a bricklayer's helper and get my journeyman's certificate in bricklaying. Bricklaying's hard work. So I had a plan. My plan was I was going to become Van Halen, and then I could buy all the cars I wanted and pay somebody to work on them. This week, I want to get the drivetrain in the car for good, and it starts with bolting up the new Monster Transmission 4L80E to the back of the motor. This 4L80E was built specifically for us by Monster. It's their super sport model, capable of handling up to 750 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque, which is perfect for this car. With Monster Transmission bolted up to the back of the engine, the entire package is slid into the Jag and gets bolted up to the mount. The Jaguar Specialty stuff is spec'd out for an LS1 with a 4L60, and it's a different length transmission. The 80 is longer, and their transmission mount just won't work, so we used pieces of it. It's all greasy from that V12. Using some of the parts from the Jaguar Specialty's transmission mount and some new angle iron, I make a custom bracket that will support the transmission and is mounted through the factory unibody structure. That is 1/8 inch. Got enough stick out. Everything was mocked into place before, so I'm pretty certain that we've got good hood clearance. But one final test. To keep the LS cool in the Jag, I'm using a factory replacement radiator for a '99 Camaro. In my last trip to pull apart, I grabbed a fan module out of a 2000 model wreck. The cheap stock 2000 Camaro fits perfectly. Look at that. And the motor is in for good. But what you don't see are the newly designed poly mounts. But the good thing about the Jaguar Specialties kit is that it uses off-the-shelf engine mounts, isolators, and a transmission mount. And typically they're made out of rubber. But we found a company out at SEMA that's doing those type of mounts, but using a much better process that's not full polyurethane. It's a really interesting hybrid technology. And the best part is, they're only a plane ride away. Daystar Products is located just outside of Phoenix in the Arizona desert, but we're not here for Jeep parts. We're here to learn about performance accessories and a new type of polyurethane.
Performance Accessories is just a division of Daystar Products. Performance Accessories was actually really well known, and still is well known, for body lifts for trucks. But when we came up with this new Kevlar infused polyurethane, the best idea I had for it was, you know what, that truly is a definition of performance accessories, and that's why it's a performance accessories brand. We saw a big need in the car market. A lot of guys, and especially even us, the rubber just wasn't holding up to how we beat on the cars, and we drive them every day with high horsepower engines and putting more traction to the ground with bigger wheels and tires. So the thing that we wanted to do is create a polyurethane that truly would fit into that performance market. And that's where the Kevlar infused polyurethane went into it. There's stuff getting made in Taiwan, there's stuff made in Vietnam, and even China, of course. But the big difference with us is we're a 100% made in USA company. Even our sleeves are made in USA, and every bit of the polyurethane that we source is made right here in the United States of America.
And with design, manufacturing, sales, and tech lines all under one roof, it's a great way to see a new manufacturing process right here in the USA.